Hi, my name is Ajay and Atadora. Good afternoon. Right now I'll be presenting the dashboard that I created for Property Finance Corp. So basically, the report is very interactive. It provides an information in or it is updated in every 15 minutes. So basically, each agent has each own record. Now this record will be imported in or will be um my what they call this be collided or will be merged into one, which is the master data. Now this master data is the sheet that is being loaded into Data Studio on this report to reflect and to show the performance for the overall performance of the company. And you can also specify it by agent, by lender, or by the client satisfaction rate. So like how, let me explain it. So now, since this is a very interactive, all the informations will be updated according to your preferences. So if I select JN only, all of these informations that you're seeing is related with JN only. Now, if you want to select Casey, you can also select Casey, or you can select two agents. Since this is a drop down and a checkbox, so either you want to select one or two or three or more, depending on your performances. Now, if you're going to check on the very low left part, upper left part of the table, there is a table that shows JN record, so it's reflecting how many is canceled. Also inquiry, and then how many deals that she already closed. Now, for the current status record, it's also showing the total percentage of the type of the status of the deal that she is actually dealing. So basically, she has 31% that is canceled. However, there are 37% that is on inquiry mode. Now, if, for example, if one specific agent would do want to have like a goal, she will be able to adjust it accordingly once she will be able to see this report. So, for example, if my target that for submission is I wanted to get at least 50%, so definitely she can do something about that. Now, this is the overall satisfaction rate that I do have on all the deals that I'm currently handling. And also, that is already been closed. So I have got a total of uh, 4 out of 5. 5 is the highest number. Now, also it's on the left, right lower part, it shows the number and the type of the deal that I do have. And also it shows who is the licensed broker that is assigned on this deal. Now, if we'll go ahead to reset it, definitely it will gonna show the 3 agents performances and all of the record. Okay, let's just take time for it to load. One of the possible reasons why it's take time to load, since this is a two interface or different applications, and other reasons also is like some of the agents may be updating their record, and it took it comes to the point that data studio is also updating the information that it is capturing every 15 minutes. Now let's go to the lender record. So basically this shows all the lender performances. Also the how many deals that we do have by lender. So a total of there is a 68 deals that we do have. For example, we have at least, let's say Manulife one, we have 3 deals, and then all of the deals is for purchase. And then also if you go to the right part, it shows uh, the percentage, and then the who is the lender that is being assigned on each of the specific type. One thing that we can actually notice here is that the NA and is actually giving us a huge number or percentage. So like for example, for refinance, there is an NA which is 76%. So like what is that NA? So basically we do have a 13 deals that doesn't have any lender yet as of the moment. So we hasn't been able to assign it yet. Now this lower part, it should actually be reflecting on it's just showing the total deal that is closed. Now, at the same time, if we're gonna reflect by lender, so it will shows how many deals that is closed under by the specific lender. However, it has to be updated. Right now, I'm still running a test for this table. Now let's go to the third tab, which is the DL status. So basically, this is just mimicking the agent's record that they are updating from time to time. Now, this is very interactive. You can filter the informations according or the way you wanted it. So like for example, you want to see all the agents, but you want to see only for Tashana. So there are two different, now let's see if it's two different. Two. So Tashana. So basically there is only, all of these deals is under Tashana. Now for agent, let's see, it's showing all the agent that is shows here 6 for Jan, 5 for Casey, and 1 for Joanna. Now you also wanted to see what deal doesn't have any commitment yet. So there are 10 deals that doesn't have any commitment yet. Why? Since they are the status of the status of the deal is on inquiry, and then some are actually canceled. So it's pretty much understandable why they don't have a commitment signed yet. Let's see what else. Now, this report can also be downloaded if you want it to. All you just have to do is to actually click share so you can download the report. Eventually, the target is to actually download a report depending on the choices, like for a month, for quarterly, or for yearly, so we can have a record um, of the company performance. Also, we can do a scheduled email delivery for this, just to notify about the current performance of the company. Also, you can invite other people to view your report. The good thing about this is, since this is merely a report applications, so our raw data that we do have will not be manipulated or will not be altered. Because basically, this is just purely for reporting. And then what else? Um, Basically, this report will be updated and will be having more information moving forward. Thank you.